everyone, welcome to Chimaobi tutorials. In this video I'm gonna show you how to get a woman pregnant easily. But first of all, please subscribe to this channel once you are done watching, and please hit the bell button. And now, to get a woman pregnant easily, you have to know these steps. It's very simple, and anybody can do this so long as you have a partner that you want to get pregnant. So you can do this. So step one is you have to be eating banana consistently. So in the morning when you wake up, just eat banana as many as you want. It doesn't matter if it's small or big, so just eat the banana on an empty stomach as many as you want. So just do that before you take your breakfast, and don't eat the banana and immediately eat your breakfast. So what you have to do is just to eat the banana on an empty stomach. So wait for a while before you take your breakfast, and also do the same at night. Eat banana as many as you can, then wait for a while before you take your dinner. Step two is garlic. Take garlic. You have to eat garlic. Now there are two ways you can eat this garlic. It's either you chew it raw or you fry it and eat it. And make sure you do this before you eat your breakfast. And don't take it immediately and then take your breakfast. So take it and wait for a while before you take your breakfast. And also do the same thing at night before you take your dinner. And I assure you, once you are done with this, you will have yourself up and going and lay with your partner, and you get her pregnant so easily. So that's a tip for you, and I hope you enjoyed your life thereafter. So I thank you for watching, and please subscribe to this channel after this video. Thank you.